what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today I got another brand new unboxing for you. We're gonna be unboxing these. What's going on, everybody? How are you all doing today? Yes, that's right. We got another brand new unboxing for you today on the channel. This time around, it's going to be a Nike SB Dunk Low. But before we dive into the video today, ladies and gentlemen, I do have an announcement to make. I will be co-hosting on another channel. It's going to be called the Run the Ropes Media channel over on YouTube as well as on Instagram. Myself and Unbreakable Kicks, that's right, Unbreakable Kicks, we are starting a wrestling channel. That's right, guys. So basically over on the wrestling channel, it's going to be kind of like a podcast type style. We're going to do breakdowns on all the pay-per-views, Raws, SmackDowns, AEW events, all that good stuff. So if you guys are interested, please make sure you guys go down. I'm going to have everything linked down in the description section below. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel, as well as make sure you guys give the Instagram a follow. And with all that out of the way, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started on today's video. So like I mentioned, this is a Nike SB Dunk Low. Obviously, you got purple box. This is a GR. So the GR, the general release Nike SB Dunk Lows, are going to be in this purple box. Size tag and a label reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Light Carbon Sesame and Monarch. Went with a size 12 because I personally go up a half size in Nike SBs, because to me they do fit a little bit snug with all the extra padding that they have. Now, opening up the box, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to get greeted with your standard Nike SB paper. It's going to be that wood grain type of finish over on the paper. And as you open up these guys, you are going to get greeted with the shoes. Let me tell you something, man. These things are really nice. Before we throw the box away, we are going to get greeted with the Nike SB stickers right there. Standard in all Nike SB general release. As far as I'm concerned, I've never purchased a pair of Nike SBs and not received the stickers. Now, these things have actually officially released, obviously, on your skate shop. So CCS, all your local skate shops, all that good stuff. Premier, you know, all your skate shops, they have officially released already. However, on the Sneakers app, they have not dropped yet. So there is going to be an official release over on the Sneakers app. That is going to be on October 3rd at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. First come, first serve. No draw needed on these guys. They are, like I said, the Light Carbon and Monarch, going to be retailing for $115. And yeah, that's pretty much it. No, you know, special collab or anything like that. Nothing like that. Just going to be your general release. So if you guys want these things, like I said, October the 3rd, they will be dropping on the Sneakers app. Now, the first thing that pops up into my mind, I'm thinking about this shoe right here, is another pair of Nike SBs. I just did a recent review on last month or so like that of the Burnt Sunrise Nike SB Dunk Lows. Those things you can pretty much get anywhere right now. But as far as just this toe box and the medial side, as well as it wrapping around on the heel, it does remind me of that Burnt Sunrise color. However, this is the Monarch and a Light Carbon. Now, again, you're going to get premium suede when it comes to Nike SBs, guys. You know, you just can't go wrong. I mean, this is kind of like a hybrid sneaker. Right now I'm thinking about the Burnt Sunrise. Just popped in my mind again about the Curry and the regular Dunk Lows, not the SBs, but the Curries. Just reminded me of that with the swoosh. But really premium materials you're going to get on these things. So it's going to be an all-over suede shoe. You're going to get that light carbon with the hairier suede around the toe box. And you can even tell that stroke motion right there. Pause. You're going to get that over on the back of like the wings. Wrapping around, you know, the back of the heel tab right there. So really nice materials, like I said, on these joints. Overall simple, clean colorway, but it just, this is a perfect fall sneaker. Reminds me of another Nike SB Dunk Low that I had. I got rid of them in my collection. Kind of still regret getting rid of them. However, they were small. They were a size 11.5 and they fit really tight. That was the Crushed DC Skate Shop's Nike SB Dunk Lows. I'll throw an image up right now. But they reminded me of that kind of, just because of like the, you know, the orange and just the fall colors. I mean, perfect fall shoe, man. I just love this color combination. I've been really digging like earth tones and like kind of like those neutral colors lately. I don't know why. I'm not into the big flashy colors as of right now. I just am really digging these earth tone neutral colors, man. But like I said, toe box, press test, and also the suede on these things is really nice. As you could tell, you're going to get that different shade going on that premium suede. Toe box, same thing. Going to come standard with your oval laces in that light carbon color. However, they are also going to come with an extra set of laces, and it's kind of like a pale olivey green. And, you know, when I did see this color, these things would pair up perfectly with the U-toes. Those Nike SB Dunk Lows, if you guys had them, because the back of that heel tab matches up perfect with this color. So I think that would be pretty cool if you guys have both. Swap out those laces. You're going to get that sesame suede on the swoosh, that I think is a nice color pairing because it kind of really pops off on this particular shoe. That same color sesame is also going to be embroidered in that Nike emblem in the back of the sneaker. And then the last hit of sesame that you are going to see, actually there's 2 hits of sesame left. On the tongue, you get the Nike SB, the Dunk Low Pro on the tongue, that fat tongue right there. So nice little embroidering right there on the patch. And then also the last hit of that sesame is going to be inside of your insole. It's just going to say, you know, your Air Zoom or your Nike SB branding right there. My bad, guys. There is one more hit of that sesame. It's going to be your Phylon midsole right there, peeking out through that outsole. You're going to get that sesame color as well as the light carbon hit. It's a little bit more of a gray than that light carbon. The color doesn't match up perfectly. So if you guys were to pick these things up and choose between these and also those burnt sunrise, which is like the most, you know, closest color in recent releases that kind of look like these things, which would you pick? I'm definitely picking these all day. And to be honest, I think I'm going to take these, and I may even get rid of those burnt sunrises, honestly, because that's an all over same color shoe. This really breaks it up with the different colors on here, and I actually do like this a lot better. So let me know what you guys think about these things down below in the comment section. Have you guys picked them up from your local skate shops, or are you going to be waiting for that sneakers release? Remember, Nike members, you're obviously going to get that free shipping, so if you wanted to wait, pretty good option if you want these things. So let me know all that good stuff down below in the comments section, as well as, please, ladies and gentlemen, make sure if you did enjoy today's video, you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and do not forget to ring that bell, because every time I upload one of these bangers, you're going to get notified. So that's going to do it today for me, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill. Me and the light carbon and Monarch Nike SB Dunk Lows. We're out. Peace.